Okay, well, what is a radian? Well, if we think about a circle, in the center we have a radius, and this has a length. And what a radian is, if I took that radius and picked it up and placed it along my circle here, however long the distance here, that angle is 1 radian. So it's the angle measure that you turn through to go the distance of a radius along the outside of a circle. And it turns out that there's 2 pi radians in 1 revolution. So what that means is that 2 pi radians equals 360 degrees. And the way we can convert is we could say 2 pi and 360, those are comparable. So I want to convert, I can put my radians on top, my degrees on the bottom. But if you notice, you can also go pi over 180 because I can divide both by 2. It's important to note that typically when you see an angle, you see something like this, that means it's radians. And if it's in degrees, it will have the degree sign. So like 33 and degrees, it has a degree sign. So I need to know whether it's radians or degrees. Okay, so if I want to go from degrees to radians, I take my degrees and I multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees. And the degrees cancel out, and it equals 11 over 36 pi. And we like to a lot of times leave it with the pi. I want to go from radians to degrees, I do the opposite. So now I have 5 pi over 12, and now I'm going to multiply by 180 degrees over pi radians, and the radians go away. And if I multiply that out, I get 75 degrees. I also can, sometimes I don't have pi, so I have 1.3 radians, and I'm still going to multiply by 180 degrees over pi, and that's going to give me 74.48 degrees.